Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming explicit permission and defining scope. Never proceed without written authorization. Once done, prepare your environment, Python 3. 8 or newer, an isolated virtual environment, and secure logging so results are auditable. Make sure to obtain the password hashes or test accounts legally. Then stage a vetted, ethically sourced word list and document the purpose. This keeps the work compliant and repeatable, while preventing misuse and protecting privacy throughout the process. Next, you run controlled, lawful checks. Load the hashed credentials and compare using secure hashing libraries rather than trying to retrieve plain text. Once you begin, throttle attempts to respect rate limits and account lockout policies so you do not disrupt services. Make sure to log every attempt with timestamps and context for auditing. Also, validate results against the authorized scope and report findings in a remediation plan that focuses on improving password policies and multi-factor authentication. Finally, compile a clear remediation report. List weak credentials found, recommended rotations, and stronger password policies, plus multi-factor authentication deployment. Once complete, coordinate credential rotation and confirm new credentials are enforced. If you cannot reproduce results, make sure permissions cover the dataset and verify hash formats and salts. Misconfigured hashing often causes false negatives. If issues persist, pause testing and consult stakeholders. Never escalate beyond the agreed scope without new authorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.